Hey guys, Chippy's Wicked Adventures here. Today I'm going to be replacing my Spur gear. So this is my old one, and it was pretty messed up. Probably can't see it, but it's all flattened out in some places and stuff. So I just went to the hobby shop and bought a new one. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace it, just in case you don't know how. Oh, you can see the difference here. This one right here is the new one, and this right here is the old one. So first I have to take off this thing on the inside. I gotta put it in this one. So let's get started. Alright guys, the tools we're gonna need for this video are a screwdriver. I just got a PH2 Phillips head screwdriver, and I just like to put it on a drill so it's easier to pull out. And we're going to need a little Allen wrench, and we're going to need a 9mm hex removal. That's mostly just for the tire. Just take it off. By the way, this new part that I got is number 4690. Just in case, if you want to go on the Traxxas website, if you just type that in, it'll come right up. Step 1, we need to take off this wheel so that we can get off this cap right here. So you just use that 9mm hex. It actually comes with the track. You get most ready-to-race Traxxas. It'll come with one of these little tools. So that's pretty nice that they just come right with it. They really set you up nice. So I just pull it out. I like to put it under the car like this to hold it up. Now I'm going to take my screwdriver. There's one little screw down here that I take out. And now I can just take this thing off. It comes off. Normally there's a little clip right there, but they kind of just break off like really easily, so mine's already off. So now you're going to need your 9mm hex again. And what you do is you just put it on this clutch right here. And as you can see right there, just look right here, it is spinning that drive shaft. So I'm just going to pop this wheel back on. That way I can hold it in place, and then I can easily take this out. Finish taking mine out. You set it to the side. Then there's going to be this little spring. Set that to the side also. And it's a really pulley one. Make sure it doesn't roll away. Then you got to take this off. Then there's this little disc right here. You don't have to take it off. I just like to so I don't lose it. What you're really going to need is this thing. Like I said, you got to transfer this whole padding over to the new one. So I'm just going to pat this in there, and I'm going to take out the screws with my little Allen wrench tool. And here we go. I can just undo that with my hands. Well, I got all my screws out. You can see there's no screws in there. Now I just have to pop this out. It's a little too hard. It's kind of hard to pop out. I just like to use this thingy and put it on there and push with that. And then you just got to pry it with a pry tool. I can't do it on video because it's kind of hard to get out. Alrighty, I got it out. I had to use this little pry tool. It just comes with the RC car if you can find it. So I got it out. And then it just looks like that, and I need to get that bearing out now. That was not that hard. I just pushed on it with my thumb and it came right out. So there's my bearing. Then now what I gotta do is I gotta switch it over to this new gear. First I'm gonna put the bearing in. It's kind of hard to push in. Oh, there we go. That was easy. Now, now I gotta take this other piece that I took out before. That's a lot easier to put on than it was to take off. So now I gotta do these screws. Alright, mine are all the way on. Just make sure they're completely tightened in, otherwise you might have a couple problems with your car. And I just gotta check this last one. Yep, they're all tight. So now, I'm gonna move it back over so you can see my car here. We've got our whole new gear set up. First I'm going to put the disc on. The part that looks a little bit worn out, keep that facing outside. And there are 3 little pegs in there. There are 3 little pegs in there. If you see them, let's get this thing to focus. There's 1 right there, 2 more, and there are 3 on this disc. There are 3 little holes. Just make sure those are lined up. Now next is this gear that we just put together. There we go. I got that on there, and then again this little spring, the roly-poly one. Then after that, you're gonna need your 9mm hex again. I like to start by putting the little thing in there, and then just gotta put this back. Alright, I got that all tightened on. Now, this motor cover, I'm gonna put that on there, and I'm gonna need to take this wheel back off. It was just loosely put on. I didn't put on the little bolt. So now you're gonna need your screwdriver and the little screw. There should be a bigger screw and a littler screw. The little screw goes on top, and the bigger one goes on bottom. Alright, now the last step is just to put your wheel back on. Pretty sure you don't need help with that. If you like these videos and you want more videos like this, you can always subscribe. I really am hoping to get some subscribers, so if you can help me out and subscribe, I probably post at least 1 video a week, and I hope you found it helpful. And now, thank you guys for my 57 subscribers. I've got my car all fixed up. Here's my old gear, ready to go. Put that, oh yeah, we gotta turn on the car. Always turn on the car before you start driving. That's a lesson to be learned, everybody. And turn on the remote. And we're out here.